panda. I got broads in Atlanta, she just throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the list in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana.